Hello everyone, let's try to create this logo transition. If you like content like this, please like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments. Okay, let's try to create this slide presentation or logo intro. At first we need to add two new slide. In the new slide we need the logo. It's a logo and nothing special. And after that we need a text. The text is the text of the channel. I use two things for that. First, this effect, and then second, overdrive sunset as a font. Okay, now we create the text. We need to create the effect and how stunning it looks. You see, when we go to this slide, we see how the effect has been created. You see, or not? Let's watch another time. The interesting thing about this is that black and white. Let's suppose we create this. Okay, we need to insert a circle. And let's set the shape outline to none. And we need to send it to back. And let's color it up white. Okay, it's good. Now we make another copy of it and send it to back. Let's color it black. It's so easy. I don't have anything special about this, but it's always nice to know how to create something like that. It's best thing to know how to create something like that. Okay, we have the next slide. Now we need our first slide. In the first slide, the order is very important, the order of our pictures and how it looks like. Because of that, we need another, let me say, circle, and it's going to be what color? Can you guess? It's going to be white, and it's going to have no outline here. Let me put it here. Now let me just bring this to front. Bring it to front, and bring this text to front also. Then add this text here. Simply in the center or not in the center. Let me just put it in the center by using align center, align middle. Now I just simply copy this slide. What I need to do is that I need to bring it to front, bring this circle to front. You see, by bringing this circle to front, this shape go down, but it has a little problem. What is the problem? The problem is that when it is in the front, let's set it in the center. The problem is that when it's in the front, the transition is not going to look like what you want. Let me just show you here. It's in the, sorry. Sorry, I forget to put the morph transition here. You see, it's coming from nowhere and I don't like it. So how we can fix the problem? We bring this to front also, but with a little more detail. What detail? Let's bring this to front. This circle is going down like this. Let me show you how. Now it's going to see. You see, it's pretty amazing and beautiful. And now let's go and work with the circles that we have. How we are going to use them. It's a really easy one, but how we are going to use them, it's easy. We are going to delete these two circles. Some of you may laugh and say, what delete? Why delete them? Because I'm going to use the radius circle I have. I'm going to create a circle here with the size of this circle a little smaller, and after creating that I'm going to color it black and create another circle. Oh, it don't create. You can press Ctrl to make a copy. The previous time it don't work, but now it's work, and make it white. Sorry, my hand is not working well. Okay, it's worked well. Now we have these two circles. What I'm doing, let deselect all of them. We have this circle and this circle. Let me just, if I can, simply just copy both of them, paste them here, and now align them center, align them middle, put them back. Okay, now delete this. Now let the magic happen. Okay, let's see how it looks like. For better viewing, I suggest that we make the time of transition more. Now let's look at it. If you like effects like this, don't forget to ask me in the comment for more videos, and like and subscribe. We have many videos of this. I think we have more than 1,000. And have a nice time until the next video.